So the storm last night was pretty brutal. I got home around 10:30 last night and it was raining. Like, it just started pouring, right? Like, it was already lightning and everything, and there was like a little bit of rain coming down. But after I got off the bus, it was super, super rainy and pouring, and just, thunder, lightning, everything. And I went to sleep around 3 o'clock, and it was still going strong. Now it's 10 a.m. and aside from a few puddles, looks like it didn't rain at all. Go figure. But I'm thinking that maybe this might have to do with the hurricane down south. I don't know. It might. I know that when Katrina hit, there were some winds and stuff that we got up here. So it might have something to do with Florence. I don't know. Not sure yet. I guess I'll have to check weather stations and websites and stuff and find out. I don't know, because I'm not that good with weather. But it's not too bad. It is what it is, I guess. And yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, that storm was pretty brutal last night. Very, very brutal. But hey, rain is what we need. It helps the grass grow. It helps the trees to live properly. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Rain is wonderful. Like, what it does for the environment and for the earth and everything. But storms can be scary at times. I know Lola, our calico cat, she hid underneath the couch for the entire storm. She does not like rain at all. Probably because she got out of the house a couple years ago, and yeah, I think it was in 2013 or 2012. No, it was 2013. It was the second time that she escaped. And it was raining around that time, and she would hide under cars. And I guess she still has that instinct. Whenever it rains, she'll hide under the couch. It's kind of like a car. I guess in her mind, I don't know, shelter for, to be more precise. In her mind, she's hiding from the rain. But in reality, she's inside, so it's not going to bother her. But I guess she's still got that mindset of, seek shelter when it rains. So that's what she does. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, just watching some YouTube videos. I've basically changed my morning routine. Instead of watching Netflix in the morning, I'll watch YouTube videos in the morning and Netflix at night. 'Cause I have more time at night to watch movies and TV series and stuff like that. So just go through my the videos and channels that I'm subscribed to in the morning, because there's more time for that. And I'm just rambling, so I'm just gonna stop and whatever. Oh man. Focus. Focus. It's not focusing. But anyway, this puddle right here is basically the only thing that's visible inside. And it's coming from up here. This, all these blankets and everything are covering up a hole in the side of the wall, or yeah, in the side of the house, which this tubing used to go out of. It's like ventilation for, I guess, a washing machine that used to be in here. And that puddle, I know it's kind of hard to tell, but there is a puddle right there. And that's all that's left, or that's all that's inside from that big storm last night. So it's not too bad. It just leaked from that and poured out to here. And that'll evaporate over time, probably by the end of the night. So it's not too bad. Oh, there's my ugly mug. But anyway, I have to go upstairs. Sorry that it's dark, but I have to go upstairs and get ready for work. And if there's anything from the storm, like big puddles and whatnot, on my way to work, I'll show you those too. Yeah. Aftermath of the big storm. I think that's what I'll title this vlog. But yeah, it's kind of dark in here right now, just because the lights are off. Ta-da! There we go. That right there is my 12-year-old, but that was taken when she was about 5. I got pictures of her all over the place. But anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for work, and I'll be back in a little bit. There's a big puddle there. It's not too bad. It's pretty much dried up for the most part. It's just, like I said, there's puddles here and there, and that's about it. There's some more puddles. Another one up there. There's the buildings downtown. Another puddle. So this is downtown at night without the rain and the thunder and everything. I don't know how this gets not... I don't know. I don't get it. Oh, man. It's dark out here. Going a different way home because I walked a coworker to her car because it's late, and it's pretty scary downtown at night. So but anyway, yeah, it's fine now. It's great. It's not raining anymore. It's clear. It's beautiful. It's not really windy. I wish I had my drone. Oh man, I need to charge the battery on that before I take it out again. But anyway, I am on my way home. This is the end of the vlog. Sorry you can't see me, but it's, you know, it's late. It's like, I don't know, almost 11:15 at night, and I'm on my way to the bus stop to catch my bus and go home. And I'll be back tomorrow with another mildly interesting vlog, if anything at all.